You've just been charged with a criminal offense. This is the biggest event in your life from a negative perspective. Everybody's story is different. Everybody comes in with different concerns, but there are some general truths for everyone. Fear is the biggest thing. Fear that if I'm convicted, I'm going to lose my job, and then I'm going to lose my house, and then I'm going to lose my family because I can't provide for them. This overwhelming sense of fear and shame, and those are probably the two most difficult emotions for people to feel.
One night I went out for a couple drinks with some friends and shoot a couple games of pool, and around 11 I decided that it was time for me to leave and ensure that I would be there for my son in the morning. And 50 feet down the road, my whole life was turned upside down. I was in a lot of trouble and I didn't know what I was going to do. Not only was I not going to be there for my son, but I wasn't going to be there for work. I wasn't going to be there for anything because I was in jail. Within 2 months, I had lost my place to live, lost my job. My means of being able to provide for us were gone. It was defeating me as a father.
There is no such thing as a minor crime. And you don't want the stain of being branded a criminal, because people will look at you differently. They will treat you differently. And just like everybody that walks into this office like you have a different story, so do the people that work here. None of us were born with a silver spoon in our mouths, and we all chose to be in this profession for a specific reason. It's because we believe in defending you. We take these things personally. We care about you, we care about getting the best possible resolution in your case, and quite frankly, every one of us are personally invested in getting you the very best possible result we can, because this is your liberty, this is your future.
The sense of accomplishment was overwhelming. I've gotten my life back in order, and none of this would have happened without this team. Their service was unparalleled. If you take your freedom seriously, you should take this team equally as seriously.
The government has a team. They have a team of dedicated attorneys to prosecute your case. It's an enormous advantage that the government has. You need the greatest team that you can have on your side, dedicated to defending you. And that's what you're coming here for. When you're ready to get us involved, that means you're ready to take charge of your life, and we're going to move forward together with a unified defense. Our sole focus as a law firm is to defend you, period.